Hello everyone and welcome back to IHM Flex. Welcome back to the 60-day training on MS Word. In our last video, we learned how to insert and format images in MS Word. Today, we are going to learn something very interesting and very useful, which is shapes and smart art. These tools help us create diagrams, flowcharts, processes, and visual explanations in our documents. So let's get started. First, let us understand what are shapes. Shapes are basically graphical objects like rectangle, circle, arrow, lines, callout, etc. They are mainly used to draw diagrams, create flowchart for any process, and highlight important information. So let's get started and understand how we can insert a shape. For that, you need to go to the Insert tab, and you can see this shape option here. By clicking on it, you can see different shapes available, and I would choose rectangle for example, like this. I can choose more shapes. Then I can, for that, I will go to the Insert tab again, choose an arrow, for example, and will draw it wherever I need it. You can insert multiple shapes and arrange them according to your requirement. Now let's see how you can format shapes. When you select a shape, the Shape Format tab will appear here. This helps you to change shape fill color. Let me click over it. Change the outline color. Increase or decrease the outline thickness and shape effects like shadow or glow or whichever you want. For example, I'll show you some of the options as an explanation. For example, I've taken this rectangle. I want to have it in yellow color, which I've done. The outline I want black, and the border of it, I want it thick black border. This is how I formatted my shape in this document. If I want to give different shape effects, there are here. The different option will make the shape that I have added in a different manner. It will have the shadow added at the back and a lot more. You can add the shapes in your document and explore the different options available in the Shape Format tab. Now let's talk about the Smart Art, which is now let's talk about the Smart Art, which is available in the Insert tab next to Shapes option. It is used to represent information in a structured and professional visual format. It is commonly used for processes, hierarchies, cycle, organizational charts. That means generally it is used for official purposes, which helps us give a better picture of the document or the data that we want to show. Let's see how we can insert it. Go to the Insert tab, then to the Smart Art option. Then you will have a lot of options here. Whether you want to list, processes, that means Smart Art for our process. You want to represent a cycle, hierarchy, and a lot more. In all section, you will have all the Smart Art options which are available or segregated here under. For now, I'll choose process. Here I'll take the first option, which is a general one, to show the sequential pattern. I'll move this a little down since it is overriding the shape options that we have added to the picture. And I can add the steps like I will double click on the box and I can type whatever I want to put into it. For example, start. The next one, I want to write work. And at last, I will write complete. This is the process that I want to show, the sequential steps. This is very useful for training documents and the SOPs. So I hope this was something very easy and interesting to learn. Now I'll wrap this video with a short explanation of the summary that we have learned today. We have learned how to insert shapes, how to format shapes, and how to use smart art for visual representation. In the next video, we will learn about header and footer and page numbers. By then, keep learning, keep practicing, and stay connected with IHM Flex.